Today we shall learn about morphology of flowering plants, class 11, NCERT questions and answers, short answer type questions, part 3, which is really very important for unit exam. So watch the video till the end. Welcome back once again in your biology class. This is Nausin and you are watching your most favorite channel, Educational Support. So my lovely students, are you ready? So let's get started. Question number 1 is, give 2 examples of roots that develop from different parts of the angiospermic plant other than the radicle. So you know, in some plants, roots arise from the parts of the plant other than the radicle. Such roots are called adventitious roots. So banyan tree roots develop from the lower nodes of the stem. They are prop roots which grow downwards and touch the soil. They meant for the support. And sugarcane root arises from the lower nodes of the stem and enter the soil. They are slits roots which are meant to provide strength to the plant. Question number 2 is, the essential functions of roots are encourage an absorption of water and minerals in the terrestrial plant. What functions are associated with the roots of aquatic plants? How are roots of aquatic plants and terrestrial plants different? So basically, terrestrial roots show a branched network so that they can help in encourage and water and mineral absorption from soil to the plant. But in aquatic plant, roots show modifications from their normal functions. So here I am presenting difference between roots of aquatic plants and the terrestrial plants. In aquatic plants, roots may be absent, vascular strands are properly developed and modified to carry out photosynthesis, food storage and exchange of gases. But in terrestrial plants, roots are well developed with root cap and root hairs and branches, and vascular bundles are well developed, provide anchorage and help in absorption of nutrients from the soil. Question number 3 is, draw diagrams of a typical monocot and dicot leaves to show their venation pattern. So the arrangement of veins and the vellets in the lamina of leaf is termed as venation, you know that. So when the veins run parallel to each other within a lamina, the venation is termed as parallel, and when the veinlets form a network, the venation is termed as reticulate. So leaves of dicotyledonous plants generally possesses reticulate venation, while a parallel venation is the characteristic of most monocots. So in this picture, the first leaf shows parallel venation, which is shown by leaves in monocots like maize, grass, etc. And the second leaf has reticulate venation, which is shown by leaves in dicots like peas, grams, etc. You can see it properly. Question number 4 is, a typical angiosperm flower consists of 4 floral parts. Give the names of the floral parts and their arrangement sequentially. You know that a typical angiospermic flower consists of 4 floral parts, that are calyx, corolla, androecium and the gynoecium. So if you are eager to know about sequential arrangement of a typical angiosperm flower, then you visit my YouTube channel, Educational Support, or click the I button, and the link of this video are given in the description box below. So go for it. Question number 5 is, given below are few floral formulae of some well-known plants. Draw floral diagrams from this formulae, and the formulas are here. So the first floral formula represents flowers of Solanaceae family. Second floral formula represents the flowers of the Fabaceae family. You can see it properly. And the third one, floral formula represents the flowers of Malvaceae family. Question number 6 is, reticulate venation is found in dicot leaves, while in monocot leaves venation is of parallel type. So biology being a science of exceptions, find out any exception to this generalization. So dicot having parallel venation, for example, Crambium, Calophyllum, and monocot having reticulate venation, for example, Simlax, Colocasia, Diocrosia, etc. Question number 7 is, you have heard about several insectivorous plants that feed on the insects. Nepenthes or the pitcher plant is one such example, which usually grows in shallow water or in marshlands. So what parts of the plant is modified into a pitcher, and how does this modification help the plant for food even though it can photosynthesize like any other green plants? So in a pitcher plant, leaves are modified into a pitcher, and the pitcher is equipped with a lid that is formed from the apex of the lamina. So the anterior part of the petiole is coiled and like a tendril, and it keeps the pitcher in a vertical position. So the soil in marshlands is deficient in nitrogen. So in spite of performing photosynthesis, these plants need nitrogenous nutrients to make proteins, and insects are a rich source of proteins, you know that, and thus feeding on insects provides this requires and plants with the requirement nitrogenous nutrients. You can see the picture. Question number 8 is, mango and coconut are drupe type of fruits. In mango fleshy mesocarp is edible. What is the edible part of coconut, and what does milk of tender coconut represent? So you can see the picture, coconut and mango. So coconut is a drupe fruit, and it has 3 layers: outer exocarp, middle mesocarp, and inner endocarp. So initially the endosperm is suspended within the coconut water, but on maturation the cellular layer is deposited along the wall. So this layer of endocarp is edible. Milk of tender coconut represent oily endosperm in liquid form. It is a free nuclear endosperm, and the primary endosperm nucleus first undergoes a number of free nuclear divisions without wall formation to form a large number of nuclei. It is very healthy for our health. So dear, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and please share it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell. So stay tuned with educational support for more biology related topics. Tata, bye bye. See you in the next video.